Hey guys, it's Nicole from MyBritishFriend227, and I will put that link down there. Okay, so it's intro week, so I guess I'm supposed to tell you stuff about me. Okay, so I'm standing in my dad's truck, in the back of his truck. Felt like I was touching like a cobweb or something. And here's some crazy facts about my house. We never really take down our Christmas lights. I know, crazy, huh? And I have a mom and a dad. Dad's truck. Mom's car is over there. You can see it. Side take. And, Dad's truck. Okay, and, well, Mom and Dad live here, yeah. And then my brother is that way at his girlfriend's house. And he drives a truck. And I have a half sister. She lives in Florida. Yeah, that's my family. Alright, well, I myself have 2 pets. I might have 3. I'm waiting to ask my mom for the 3rd one. This is my dog, Max. Hi, Max. You a puppy? You my puppy? I love you. I love you, Maxie. And I have a fish named Popsy. Let's go meet Popsy. Now here is Popsy. Popsy, come here. There's Popsy. His water's dirty. Cool, huh? Right, now here is my Justin Bieber posters everywhere. Okay, I've got one up here. And one right here. And one right there. And this one, I don't know where to hang it up. It's huge, and I love it. But I just don't know where to put it. Cool, right? Okay, and I have some friends, too, that I would like you to meet. Camille is my best friend since kindergarten. Love her. And oh, yeah. Duh, I forgot where I was at. And Mary is my other best friend. And gotta love Mary. She is on Fridays. I'll put her link down here too. Alright, well, bye guys.